Hello viewers, here is a 48-inch Montgomery Wards cast iron spinner ceiling fan. It is a reversible model, interestingly enough, and the switch, for whatever bizarre reason, is counterintuitive. It is now set to downdraft. And this was one of two fans that I purchased a while back on eBay for a very good price. I was told they came out of the same house and that they were original to the house. Now, it is connected via a swag kit, and this is what it came with. I'm told it's original to the fan, but I'm not sure, because this is the choke, and you can see up here at the top it has remains of a Caribbean Breeze logo. Maybe a Mark V or something is supposed to say there. I can't really tell. It's really worn off. But it is a 5-speed choke. It does work. It's very noisy. It's 48 inches, so it does match the fan as far as the size goes. 110 volts, so it's got to be an older model. I believe these would have been made sometime in the 1970s. Anyways, zoom this in here. This fan is actually in really good condition. Let's take a closer look at it here. Aside from the badges needing a little bit of polishing, it's really in good shape. The motor doesn't have very many imperfections in it. The nut is there. The blades are nice. None of them are warped. They're a little bit out of balance, but I don't think that's anything that can't be corrected. Both canopies are there, and it is in fact a canopy that's intended to be used with a swag kit. It is J-hook mount. And I think that's what all there's to say about it, so let's go ahead and start it up. Get this back on the tripod here, and zoom in, and here we go. We'll start off on 1, which I believe is the slowest speed. Now, of course, the control is now operating perfectly silently, which is not what it did the first time I tried it out. Oh no, wait, there it goes. Now it's making sounds. No, it's not. Well, whatever. I really like this fan. It actually has a pretty decent low speed. I thought it was going to be a fair bit faster. Overall, this fan doesn't go super fast. It's got a pretty steep blade pitch to it, so it doesn't really have to. There is unfortunately a little bit of bearing noise, but nothing that's intolerable. And we're actually getting a relatively noticeable breeze. Let's go up to number 2. Different humming sound from the controller now. Actually, that's moderately annoying. As you can see, the blades are ever so slightly out of balance. I think one of them is bent up or bent down a little bit. I don't know. Come on, unblur. Unblur. Come on, bro. We're in the middle of production here. There we go. Actually, the blades aren't in too bad of alignment. No, I guess one of them is a little bit off. That's probably what's causing the wobble. Now I can feel, it's not a gust of wind, but I can feel the air moving from back here. It's moving a nice breeze. Let's go up to number 3. I don't know if that sound is the bearings or something as it's wobbling. I can only imagine it's the bearings. I don't have good luck with bearings.
No?
Now it's still not moving very fast, but it's pushing out some air. Okay, we'll go up to number 4 now. On the humming controller. Wobble's not too bad. Now I'm starting to feel that gusty airflow from it. Okay, now we're going to go to full power and the control will get completely silent at 5. Why is this blurry? That is really stirring up the air now. It's moving a ton of air. This is a strong fan. Okay, I'll go ahead and cut it off now. I'm not going to cycle through all the speeds on reverse, but I will just show that it works. Alright, that's going to wrap up this production. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.